We'll start with Omnet. Now, Omnet has got basically two modules. First is a network definition, second is the coding part. So, basic architecture of the Omnet is something similar to this. See what Omnet will do. It will be providing you with a window which will be calling network definition window. Network definition window. Okay, here you can create the network architecture, that is you can place your nodes and you can place your connections over here. Okay, whenever you take a network, this network will be known as a module. Any network in Omnet will be known as a module. Got it? Now, whatever node you place on this, whether computer, mobiles, anything, this which are part of a module will be known as simple module or submodule. Fine? Okay. Whereas these portions which connects to modules are known as connections. Fine? Okay. So there are main three components associated with Omnet's network definition. One is the architecture, which is also known as module, then the sub modules or the simple modules, and third one is the connection object. In order to work with Omnet, you should first create a network definition, then with C or C++ file attach the functionality with this network definition. How we perform with this? First, program files, then open the Omnet++ software. There is Omnet++ software. Here you can see there is a node by name gnet. Open gnet. The full form of gnet is graphical network definition. When you open gnet, you'll be opening such kind of a window. First, save this one. So whenever you are working with your network definition file or Omnet, you should create a folder. All your files should be saved inside that folder, because while compiling, the entire folder should be compiled. Let us create a folder. Let us create a simple folder by name, say, and save this network definition as, let us say, N1. Okay, now this network definition will be having two modules, graphics and NED source. When you click on NED source, you'll see a module is created by name module, and it will be ending with N. This module is going to represent this architecture. Okay, now you can place any nodes by placing this one, draw submodules and connection. So if you click on this, you'll be able to place a submodule. Just say OK. You can change the overall area by first selecting this one and then dragging this area. You have a submodule by name submod. Click on NED source, submodule, submod. Instead of submod, you can give your own name, say com1. Go to graphics window. This is com1. You may also prefer to change the properties of this com1. If you wish to do so, right click, save properties, see the type. It can be either module or say unknown. If you keep it unknown, the same like a submodule. You can also click on appearance. Here you can select an icon and there will be many different icons, from which you can select the appropriate icon that is suitable for this one. We generally go for the devices. Okay, you can also make a colorization. Say okay. So for saving, always remember that saving needs to be done only from the graphics window. You cannot save it from the code window. Okay, go to NED source. You can see comp1 display I in the sense icon. There is a folder by name device slash cellphone underscore 1 P equal to 90 to 68. This is the position. Display B equal to 668 432. This is the initial position of its location. You change this. Instead of 668 you call 168. Hello, you can see the area being changed over here. Okay, now in similar way you can place another icon. Now while connecting you can connect them, you can choose to connect them by clicking this icon to this icon. This is a submodule, this is a submodule, this entire window is a module, this is a connection. Again go to the NED source. Whenever you are going for the connection, you can see computer1.out++ equal to submodule1.in++. That means this connection exists from computer1 to submodule. You can also make it bidirectional connection. So like the other case, we can make the code change from here also. So what I need to do is say submodule dot out plus plus is comp1 dot in plus plus. Go for graphics window. You can see it has been changed to bidirectional. Now this is a connection where there is no constraint. It's a simple channel that exists between a submodule and a computer. In general, in network, that thing that doesn't happen. All the channels will be having their own capabilities. Like each channel will be having its own delay, each channel will be having its own bandwidth. So if you want to add the constraints to the channel, select this connection, right click, go for the properties. It will give this one. Go for the attribute section. What is the delay? The delay is say 12 millisecond. What is the data rate? Data rate will specify the band. Let us assume that the data rate is 10 kbps. Bit error rate or BER, that will specify what percentage of noise exists in the channel. Bit error rate is always going to be specified in terms of 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 and so. Specify your bit error rate, say 0.000004. That means 1 into 10 to the 4 into 10 to the power minus 6. So if you transmit total 10 lakh bits, out of them 4 bits may be erroneous. Say okay. If you go back to NED source, you may view submodule out. Here the properties will be there. So see, while sending the data from computer 1 to submodule, data can be directly transmitted, whereas when the data goes from submodule to computer 1, it will go with this much difference. When you want to see the modular description can be seen from here. Your module has got submodule and connection. This is the first connection, this is the second connection. If you click the second connection, it is going to elaborate you the properties of the second connection. As far as submodules are concerned, you've got two submodules, computer 1 and submodule 1. If you click on this and show NED fragment, it is going to show only that much code which presents this submodule. Now, once you have created this file, you save this. Okay, we start with a new network definition, or it's a new NED file. In this new NED file, if you click on this, you can also import from other document. If you have already created some of the NED files and if you have made them as COM object, you can directly import. So without creating them also, you'll be able to use it. Already you have used them. No. When you want to refer to your network definition, directly you can go inside the directory. You can open this file. It is going to show you the network definition file. This is how you can create